Welcome to the future of technology, where robots work alongside humans to create amazing things. At our upcoming technology conference in Silicon Valley, you will discover the latest advancements in robotics, artificial intelligence, and much more. The only conference meet at the East Bay, which focuses on unique science and technology along with farming technology. Our keynote speakers are the industry experts from their own domain who share their insights and knowledge exclusively for the conference. Experience the future of technology with our hands-on workshops like Virtual Reality Workshop and discover the unique ways with which technology can transform the world around us. Connect and collaborate with like-minded individuals who are just as passionate about technology as you are. Our networking opportunities are unparalleled and provide endless opportunities for growth. Don't miss this opportunity to be a part of Future of Technology. Register now for the Technology Conference in Silicon Valley. Log on and register at www.techbeatconference.com.